I completely forgot to film the sunset and the tower. Oh my god. But anyways, this is the view from my apartment tonight. Anyways, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm gonna make a quick one take type video about a very important topic. Let me close my balcony door real quick. So anyways, one thing that a lot of people mess up on, or a thing that I've been thinking about a lot lately, is the topic of the things you control versus the things you cannot control. Okay, you guys got to understand, in life 99% of the things you cannot control. Okay, so if there's a situation when you're mad, where you are pissed off, or you know, when someone, like when it tries to affect your emotion, and if anything tries to affect your emotions, think of it like this: do I have control over it? Can I change? You know, like, you know, if you're worrying about something from the past, you really think like, do I have control over it? No. Can you go ahead and change it? No. What do I have control over? My actions right now and how I think right now. So what do I focus on? What I can control right now, which is now, right? So you guys got to understand the topic of, you know, what you can control versus what you can't. And a reason I think a lot of people are so depressed, or so angry and negative and ungrateful in this world, is because they focus on so many things that they cannot control. They focus on what others say. You can't control what others say. They control, you know, they get mad at what other people post. You know what's crazy? Like, people get mad at what I tweet. How are you gonna let me have the power to control your emotion like that, right? So whenever you are basically in a moment where, you know, you start getting emotional, really think like, what is bothering you? Okay, you know, is it something from the past? Is it something that's happening right now? Is it somebody? And just think in that situation what you have control over. Do you have control over changing the past? No. Do you have control over somebody? No. Do you have control over, you know, like someone else's action? No. Like this, think about it guys, there's a lot of things in this world you cannot control, so don't even worry about it. Like even this coronavirus outbreak right now, I have no control over it, right? I don't focus on it. I see the news here and there, but people focus so much on things they can't control. And if you guys even look at news, like, man, news literally, like, if you guys watch the news, you should stop right now. It's the biggest waste of time, number one. And second of all, what they're basically doing, guys, is just putting negative shit out there, because negative shit invokes reactions, right? And keeps your attention. And at the end of the day, it's like, you know, a lot of things that they report you have no control over, but it still affects your emotion, right? So I don't know, like I used to even get affected when I saw like a video on Twitter that somebody reposted of, like, you know, some injustice or someone being racist, and it, you know, it really used to anger me. But like, I have no control over that. I have no control over a lot of things, and it's best for you to keep your cool, keep your, you know, keep calm, keep collected, and keep your composure, because you have to understand that there's a lot of things in life you will never be able to control and you can't control. And at the end of the day, the things you can control is the things you should be doing, right? Coronavirus, I can't control that right now. I can't control what the government does, but I can control what I do during this quarantine. I can control what, you know, the information I let into my head. I can control how I use my time. I can control, you know, what I do with my life. Like, you guys gotta understand, the only thing you can really control is your actions and your thoughts. Other than that, you really have control over not many things in this world, you know what I mean? And yeah guys, just made a quick video on this topic. I think it's very important to really understand this, and I also just wanted to get a video out. I worked on some videos for you guys today, but couldn't upload in time, and I wanted to keep the one day challenge, or one day whatever going. But basically guys, hope you guys have a great day. Really understand this concept of, you know, what you have control over versus what you don't, and really look into stoicism. Okay, if you guys want to learn more about like this type of philosophy where, you know, it's like a almost don't give a fuck type mentality, look into stoicism, look into Marcus Aurelius. And yeah, that is it from me. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed my view as well. I completely forgot to take the view earlier. It was probably one of the most beautiful view I've ever seen in my life. But you know what, let me post a picture up there right now of the view. Bam, there you go. You guys got to see the view as well. But anyways, subscribe, like, comment. Love y'all so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything you guys have been helping me out with. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.